Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Targus EcoSmart Mobile Tech Traveler. This is the XL backpack, 15.6 inches, 39.6 centimeters. This is 35 liters storage size, and it's more of a travel bag than a backpack, but you can certainly use it as a backpack, no problem. What's also cool is it is expandable up to 40 liters, and I'll show you all the zippers and all the pockets and how that works, so you can pause this anytime and take a read. But most of these features will be in the description below. As you can see, we have tablets, keyboard, computer, hard drive, water bottle. There's a hidden water bottle pocket on here that's also very neat. You can put your shoes in here, headphones, phone, wallet, glasses, and some shirts and some other clothes, but we'll show all of that in just a moment. So now we're going to go into the front part of the bag and show you that. There's a zipper up top, goes all the way down into the base. Okay, and there's a zipper on the side that goes all the way across to where it's sewn. So it's a full front pocket right there, right in the front. And this is a nice ballistic type material right there. And now going inside the bag, on this side, you have two pockets. Now this one is see-through, so it's a mesh pocket right here, and this is a mesh pocket. They are sewn in the middle so they don't reach over, and they both have zippers. And this right here unzips all the way, and this is from the inside. So if you want access to what's in this big giant pocket from the front, you can actually just unzip this part and you're good to go. And now on this side is where you store your clothes or whatever else you want. Some shirts, and here is a snap close tightening strap right there. And this part is what you'll normally use as your backpack section. I found that works pretty well. I used this already as a backpack, so that worked nicely. Okay, now we're going to close this part, and we're going to show you up top right here. There's a section that unzips right here. So it goes from 35 liters to 40 liters. And of course you can zipper that up and it looks nice like that, or fully unzipped for expansion. Let's say you go on a trip and accumulate some items. You can just unzip that and get an extra 5 liters. Here is a holding strap up top and in the very back. This doesn't unzip all the way, so everything doesn't just fall out. And back here you get mesh pockets as well. Right here. So there's one mesh pocket, two mesh pockets, and then this one is also sewn in the middle, and you get another fully all the way down to the bottom mesh pocket. And here is where your laptop and tablet go, right here. And this bag has diverted 37 water bottles from the landfill and waterways, which is also cool. That's why they call it EcoSmart. Here is for your tablet, goes almost to the bottom, but it won't hit the bottom of the backpack. So you can make sure that the glass doesn't break on your tablet. It goes pretty far down, but does not reach the bottom of the backpack or the bag. And this is for your tablet, 15.6 inches. And this has a nice padded base at the very bottom. Also doesn't go to the very bottom of the backpack. So it's like a sling holding system for your two items. And then of course the strap here is velcroed here to keep everything in. So you have two sleeves right there, zipper compartment, and it doesn't come all the way down, so it doesn't fly out and crack when you open it. And then on the very back we have the ergonomic shoulder straps. So here you have a hand hook right there, adjustable. These are padded, and these are open right here, mesh, so when you wear them for a while you won't accumulate sweat on the back of your back. And then this piece clips in if you want it and unclips. And here we go, nice padded back section right here with lumbar support, and this is nicely padded too. The stitching all the way around and all the seams are very well done. You can see the stitching is fantastic and will last an extremely long time. Okay, now on here you have fully adjustable, and these parts right here actually come apart if you want, these hooks, so you can take apart the shoulder strap. I haven't seen that on many bags. You can completely unattach both sides, and there's also a hand strap on the very bottom of the bag right here. You can see that there's a little bit of foam in there to protect the sizing. There's so many things to see with this backpack, and now we'll show you the hidden water bottle compartment. So that straps back in pretty easily like that, and then if you want to rehook this around you, that snaps into place pretty simply. So right here on the side is a hidden compartment with a hidden water bottle mesh pocket, and we have this nice Starbucks cup right here that we can slip in, and it almost completely fits this. So there it is off to the side. It's a hidden water bottle compartment. Fits the Starbucks cup really easily like that, and here's the cup out of that pocket, and this just folds right in to this zippered pocket, and you don't even see it. So it won't catch on to anything, it won't bulge out. It's also a nice design on this bag. This is the Targus EcoSmart Mobile Tech Traveler XL Backpack, 35 liter storage or expandable up to 40 liters, and it's made with 37 recycled plastic bottles. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.